welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. तो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में रिफाइंड शुगर को रिड्यूस किया है. When I say refined sugar, it means white sugar. Okay, so on days I really crave for something sweet, many a times I keep this chikki handy. Today I'm going to share with you my secret recipe for this protein chikki. मैंने जब भी इसे सर्व किया है मेरे घर पे, everyone asks me for the recipe, but only on the Shilpa Shetty channel will I divulge the details. So I use a lot of nuts and seeds in this chikki, and as you're aware, it's very high in protein, contains all the essential fats and are loaded with antioxidants which are great for your skin and hair. अब देखिए, आप एक ही साथ इतनी सारी high energy और nutritious चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो आपकी फैमिली रहेगी fit और आपकी रेसिपी हो जाएगी hit. तो चलिए, let's make it. गुड़ को छोटे-छोटे pieces में काट के we add it to the pan. I've used around 200 grams of gur. ये lumps नहीं रहने चाहिए. You have to make sure that they all melt. Make sure it's on medium gas. When you see the color changing, become slightly darker, that's when you add in the seeds. So half a cup of roasted pista, half a cup of badam. Just mix it in. Now we add in the sunflower seeds. Half a spoon of elaichi powder. And the secret ingredient, 1 teaspoon of finely crushed saunf. It's called aniseed in English. Now you add in around 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds. कोई रोक नहीं है. मैं आज सिर्फ 2 ही spoon add कर रही हूँ, but it's great in terms of, you know, sources of manganese and copper, and it's very high in even calcium. Now I add in the salt. जी हाँ, चिक्की में salt भी पड़ता है. Literally half a teaspoon of salt. I've just greased a stainless steel thali at the back with some ghee, and immediately इसे निकाल दीजिए, नहीं तो ये जम जाएगा. Just evenly spread it out. Okay. हमारी चिक्की इतनी खूबसूरत लग रही है, इसे नजर ना लगे तो we put some black sesame seeds on it. थोड़ा सा घी लगा लीजिए, and don't let it get too hard. Now you just cut it. Yay! So my crunchy protein chikki is ready to devour. है ना delicious? So now you know how to satiate your sweet cravings. I hope ये easy और healthy recipe आपको पसंद आई होगी. तो चलिए, मेरे जाने का तो टाइम आ गया है, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, खाते रहो.